Hey guys, what's up? It's Digitech here, and today I'm gonna unbox a new game. It's not a new game, but I love this game, so I'm buying a second time for Windows. First I buy for this Xbox 360. So that is a Grand Theft Auto episode from Liberty City. These are two complete games: The Lost and Damned and The Ballad of Gay Tony. This is games for Windows Live, and it's 18 plus game and from Rockstar Games. This is on the front of the box. Here's the two complete games written and some specifications of the Lost and Damned and the Ballad of Gay Tony. And you can see IGN is rated 9.2 by 10 and GameSpot rated 9 upon 10. One of those great rare games, the New York Times. Grand Theft Auto 4 not required to play. And here are some species which are required by a computer that I will write in description. And this cost me, wait a minute guys, 299 Indian rupees, and it will cost you around $4 at US rate. So here's the game back side. Grand Theft Auto episode from Liberty City, upside Grand Theft Auto episode from Liberty City, same here. So let's unbox the game. I've already unwrapped the game, so I'm gonna unbox it now. Wait a minute guys, let me open here. We're gonna open this up. So yeah, this is the box we got inside this box, nothing inside this. So yeah, let's open this up. So here's the map of that girl. Let me open it up. Here's the map of the girl. Let me put up aside. Here are two discs of the game. Disc 1 for installation and 3. Disc 2 to complete the installation. Here's that. What is Johnny and the girl in the map. Here's Tony and that Johnny. So let's put it aside. Here we got a manual Liberty City Underground, so let's read this. Here are some specifications for Xbox controller for Windows, and vehicle controls and other controls. Here are the manual control which you operate from your Windows keys. It's falling down, sorry. And here I was launching the video editor. Here you can see you can upload clips, editor, gallery, upload, and online. Here clips, editor, and things showing you gallery. Sorry guys, by mistake. So yeah, all stuff like that. And here the Lost and Damned, about Lost and Damned, about Ballad of Gay Tony, some specifications, and back side of this manual there is a code which I'm not going to show you guys. So this much in the box guys, and there is an app that's there. Thanks for watching guys. Do subscribe for more videos and stay tuned for my latest videos.